Hello, welcome back. I am happy if you are watching this video. That means you are interested to finish this tutorial. And here I want to mention that we will implement one more key logic. So how the users are voting. So let me start with votes route, and from fast API import API router. Okay, and here let me just okay, so vote or votes, whatever it is, but I think in the front end I have to provide this prefix which is vote. Yeah, okay, I just check it, it's in the code from the React application. Okay, so on votes router I will create post vote. On the route and response model, so we need to define some model about the votes. Okay, so let me create vote models. Okay, from Pydantic import base model, and here we will have vote base model, and we will need user ID and the cat ID. So a user is voting for a cat, so we need who is the user, which is the cat. Okay, and here we have vote create base model. Pass again, we will need vote, which is base model again, ID, which is string. Okay, and we will need, maybe I think this is for now. Okay, let me start to write the logic. So we will respond with vote. Okay, from models dot vote models vote and vote create. So here you add vote and async dev post vote, and here I need vote, which is vote create, and user ID, which will be, let me import from models, user models, import user ID. We will receive user ID from depends get user ID. Okay, so we need to create the vote history. So we need to insert, okay, vote. So let me write vote equals, so here it is vote data, and vote is await. Let me create one more query here. Vote queries py. Okay, and here from db import db, and here I will create some ref volt ref, which is db collection volts. Okay, and insert volt, and I need volt create. Which is volt create, and we will return volt. Okay, so I think we have to create one more module, but let's write the query. So volt data module dump, and here new volt ref equals to volt ref dot document. Let me create the document. Await, let me set this volt dict, and to this volt dict let me add the id, which is equal to new volt ref dot id, and let's create volt, which is volt which have id equals to, or no, just spread the volt dict and return the volt. Okay, okay, and what we will do here, let me return await from queries dot volt queries import insert volt. Okay, and here insert volt. But what we have here, we have volt create but user id and separate parameter argument in the function. So we have to create one more, which is volt so we will receive, but no, I just will create one more base. Okay, plus volt data, just base model. Again, here we can create it in many ways, but for now let's create it like this. So we can create the base to have only the cat id, and this volt create to inherit from volt base without the cat id and to provide the user ID, or to inherit from two ways, but I think this is more convenient for now. Of course, I think this is not a big deal. Okay, let me volt data, and here will be volt data and volt data with user volt create data. Okay, equals to volt user volt create, and here user id equals to user id dot id, and here I will add cat id, which is equal to volt data. Okay, and here we will pass this variable. Okay, and we created the volt, and we will return it. Okay, but we just only voted. I want to understand, do we vote, do we like, do we dislike this cat? So here I will create one enum. So in utils I will create a file called enums.py, and here from enum I will import enum, and I will create volt enum string enum. Okay, and here I will create like is when we like the cat, dislike is when we dislike the cat, and there is one more option which we will say pass. Okay, for example, the user neither likes or neither dislikes the cat. Okay, and here in the Vault modules I will import from utils.enum import Vault enum. Okay, and here actually when I want to add the vault, what kind of vault we have, so for that I separate the module. So here we will have vault, which is type of vault enum. Okay, so we have and the vault kind. Okay, and depending on that vault we will create a logic. I will import that vault enum here too. If vault data dot vault equals vault enum dot like, we will await add like to a cat. Okay, so let me import from queries dot cat queries, and let's here write a new function add like, and we will receive the cat ID, which is string, and we will return none. Okay, and cat doc ref is equals to current round cats dot document. As I showed, we can query document but by the ID, and he will just await cat ref doc dot update. We will update, we will add likes to likes, and here from the official documentation we can add here one thing which is called increment. Excuse me, just my phone ring it for a moment, and we can increment with 1, and here the same volts because we volts for that cat, increment by 1. Okay, and I will, since I'm here, I will just copy that function and I will write add dislike, and here I will write just this dislike to increment. Okay, and here I will import add dislike and add like, and okay, here we have the cat ID vault dot. Okay, so here why we don't. Okay, we create the vault and we are returning the vault. Okay, And here we are awaiting this insert of vote. Okay. Religions thing. Okay, so not the base model. Okay, it's good that we found this error. So okay, and add this like vote dot cat id. So what is the logic? If we like the cat, we vote for the cat, but if we don't like it or we click on pass, I count it as doesn't like this cat, because I see some cat, I like it. I will not deep dive here in the logic, but this is what I want to do here. Okay, so we created the vote logic. Thank you for the attention.